Most cars and trucks have cabin filters built into the dash behind the glove compartment. Out of sight, out of mind, right? But cabin filters are extremely important. Push in on both sides of the glove compartment and pop the glove box free. Then press the two clips to remove the cabin filter cover and remove the filter. As you can see, a neglected cabin filter can be quite dirty and can release an unpleasant odor in the car. Cabin filters trap 50 to 90% of particles such as dust, soot, pollen, and insects. It's important to change the filter every 6 to 12 months so you and your passengers can be sure to breathe healthy, fresh air. The air vents in your car can be pretty dusty and dirty. Cleaning them out is easy. You can usually pick up a pack of foam brushes at a craft or hardware store for just a couple dollars. Gently slide the brush inside the gaps of the vent spaces and clean out all of that hard-to-reach gunk and dust in each vent. With little effort, your vehicle will be cleaner and healthier for you and your passengers.